So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add checkboxes and also conditional format column C, so that whenever you check off the box, it scratches out the name in column C. In column C, I have this list of names. And what I want to do is I want to add a checkbox next to each name. So in Google Sheets, it's real easy to add a checkbox. All you have to do is go to Insert and click on checkbox. You have a checkbox beside the name. So I'm going to add checkboxes beside each name. Insert checkbox, and I got all my checkboxes now in column B beside the names in column C. But I want to go a step further. I want to format this data such that whenever I check off the checkbox, it scratches out the name in column C. And to do that, all I have to do is add conditional formatting here in column C. So I'm going to highlight this row of data, the names. I'm going to go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and this is my range column, the data that's in column C here. And for format rules, I'm going to change this to a custom formula. And I'm going to enter this formula, equals B2. And what I want it to do is scratch out the name. I don't want the color to change, so I'm going to change that to none. I just wanted to scratch out the names. So once I click done there, so now when I hit the check mark, the name scratches out. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe to this channel.